Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a cat in like 45 seconds. Okay? So first you start with like a circle. This is gonna be your guide for everything, okay? Then this is like the eyebrow level. This is the eye. Then that nose around here and mouth. So you start with the cheek. Very important. You draw an ear, the top of the head, another ear, then you go a bit down, draw the arm, draw the other arm. Then you start with the eyes. The eye goes there because it goes there. Then the other eye. You draw the thing about the eye. Who knows what the name is? Eyebrow? Draw X. And a very important thing, the balls. Okay, you cannot forget this. It's bad. Again. Not a cat without their balls. Don't take them away, okay? Then you like to make it more like realistic, more close to home. Sitting here all day, doing nothing. The time passed. Time that you cannot get back. There, sitting in the chair, looking at funny videos on YouTube. A belly, because that, and his titties also grow a bit. Yeah, that is a cat. How this help you? Bye bye.